Hey guys, this is Eric, and today we're going to look at my most recent purchase of this awesome AirTag accessory. And what I'm talking about here is this attachment ring. It does come in a set. There's a couple different versions, but I got four of them, four different colors, two different key rings, and two different lanyards or attachment strings. So what's really cool about this one is I've never seen one that keeps the look of the original AirTag without encasing the actual AirTag in another accessory. So this one kind of is very minimalistic. It's just a little piece of metal that goes underneath of the battery door, the silver part right here. I always loved the original look, and that's why I actually drilled a hole into one of my AirTags and added a lanyard to it. And these are just some mighty skins. And I love the look of this. So this is what I've been carrying on my key ring. But now this thing came out, and now I can keep that look. Love the minimalistic without the case. And I do want to let you know that it was a little difficult to install, and that's probably the biggest con in here. But if you pay attention to what I have to say here, you'll get this thing on in no time. So I'm actually going to undo this, and it is definitely a very tight fit. It might, let's see, there we go, I got it undone. All right, so now the key here is to make sure you put the ring in the right position. So this is the top part with the logo on here, and if you can see very closely, there is a little lip in here. So that has to go up. I was spending a half hour installing it down because I didn't want to see the logo, not realizing that it had to go this way, and I could not get the cover on. So you want to line it up, put it over the battery, keep the battery in, and then line up the three little latches here. Okay, you don't need to turn it yet. Okay, make sure it's in there. You might hear the actual AirTag get connected with the battery, and you kind of just want to make sure it's all in there. Don't press yet. And now you want to wiggle this back and forth. Make sure this thing can turn freely. If it cannot turn freely, it's not set in the right position. And once you've done that, you can kind of push down and tighten it just enough to lock it in. And now to make sure that it's really locked in, you want to put it in the palm of your hand, take your other palm and twist it. Okay, you want to give it a really nice tight twist like this. Okay, and then you can double check. As long as you can spin this freely and the cover is not coming up, okay, you can see I can pull up and down, the cover is not coming up, and this thing can still spin freely. This thing is definitely on here, and you don't have to worry about this thing falling off. So awesome little accessory for the AirTag. Now you can attach it to your keys with this key ring, or use this little string, put it on maybe some luggage or a backpack. This is an awesome accessory. I love that it comes in a bunch of different colors, and I highly recommend this for anyone that wants a very minimalistic but cool look for the Apple AirTags. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one.